Greetings, JMS students. Mr. Combe here with another video. Today we're going to be covering how to join the 3D Printing Club. Okay, there's two parts to it. There's the actual physical club that you needed to join and show up to. Make sure you talk to the librarians about signing up for that. There's also the online digital club. Okay, if you want to print anything, you got to be part of that club to be able to upload your files. So first thing we're going to do, go up to Google search bar, or not the search bar, the navigation bar, type in bit.ly/JMS art room. Spelling's important. Should take you to this web page. This is my web page, and what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to this 3D printers tab. If you don't see this, click on the three little lines up here and they'll probably appear. So clicking on that, and now we are going to follow the instructions on here. So we need to go to this website. We need to join this Polar 3D crew. So what we're going to do is click on this. Boop. It's going to open up a new tab, and now you need to make a new account. All right, so we're going to click on sign up for free and click on sign in with Google. Okay, it automatically takes all of your Google information and then logs you in under your Google email and all that good stuff. So it might ask you for permissions and stuff. Just click OK. And now what we're going to do is we're going to join the JMS school. So we're going to click on Connect, click on Schools. And so what we want is right here, join a school with an invite code. So if we go over here, and then we need this code right here, okay, FFHGJEDS. So we're going to type that in right there. I'm just going to hit Control-C to copy it, Control-V to paste it, boom, hit continue. You've successfully joined your school. You'll see the list below, so click OK, and then scroll down, blam, my school's JMS. Booyah! So we got 13 members, 2 machines, a couple of makes. Now, in order for Mr. Combe to print something, you need to upload something called an STL file. It stands for stereo lithography, whatever file. It's called STL. If you don't have one, I can't print anything. There's nothing I can do. You could say, Mr. Combe, I want a little truck. I can't do that until you give me an STL file, okay? Don't send me any pictures. Don't send me anything else unless it says .stl. Best place to get an STL file is to A, make it yourself, or B, go to Thingiverse. So let's open up a new tab here. Go into Thingiverse. Hit enter. It's already got me pulled up. THINGIVERSE.com. Okay, so what we're going to do is I want a little truck. Click on the search bar, truck. Cool, little trucks. All right. Oh, neat. It's like a Play-Doh press. Here's a cool little cement truck. Let's go with this little dump truck. Perfect. Boom. So, what you're going to see here is a little picture of an example of it. And then if we click on this photograph, this is a photograph. Okay? This is not the STL file. This is an example of what it looks like. What we need to do is click on Thing Files. And there is the magic file we need. Dump truck reoriented.stl. That's our stereolithograph file. Okay, so we need to download that. Cool. Dumps it right there. So now what I need to do is go back to our Polar 3D website. Okay, so let's say you want to print that little truck. So let's go to Make. Let's click on Printers. Okay, we got 2 printers going. We got Curly and Larry. Right now they're busy doing stuff, okay? We can't hurt it. There's nothing we can do to interrupt them. That's fine. So it looks like Larry's got 1 job lined up. Curly's got 1 job. Larry's got 3. So this one's going to be available quicker. It looks like we're printing in gray with Curly, white with Larry, okay? So let's click on Curly. Let's say you want to build something. Well, it's not going to let you directly upload something. So if we click on Build Plate, you do not have permissions to print directly to this machine. Ask your teacher or group administrator for access. I'm not giving you that access. Instead, what you can do is put your dump truck thing, your STL file, on here. So I'm going to load an object from external source. Boom. Now I have my dump truck on my Polar 3D account. This is now mine. Cool. So, don't mess with any of this stuff. I will change all that myself. Now, if you want to do multiple copies of this, go to placement, click on that dump truck, and let's say you want multiple copies. Well, duplicate. Okay. And then you can use these arrows to kind of drag it around. You want to keep things close together because the closer they are, the less the printer head has to move, so the faster it will print. Okay. Don't put stuff right next to each other. That's bad. That's okay. That's pretty good right there. So leave a little bit of space, but you want them centered in the middle. Okay. So once you have everything the way you want it, we're going to exit out of this, and we're going to go to, I believe it's outgoing requests. So from here, you can upload a file to our printers, or rather you can upload a file to me and I could send it to the printer. So let's click a new one. Okay, boom, there's our dump truck. So I want Mr. Comb to print this. Now, let's see. You have to type in some information here to let me know what's going on. Okay, you can't just leave me hanging in the dark. So give me your name, Mr. Comb. Give me your homeroom teacher, Darth Vader. And let's put a slash there so I know. Yeah. So once you've created this and you've got all your information, you go ahead, click create, and you're done. So at this point, I'm going to log on as me. Where am I? Cool. So this is what I see. If I go to make and I click on my lab, we're going to take this and we're going to upload it to the printer. Okay. Now, all I got to do is click this. Brings me up to this. I do some magic stuff over here, mess around with the settings, make sure everything's good to go. We don't want any of that stuff. Stuff's bad for my printers. And then we're going to click to Curly since he's got one less job. And we click print. And so, right now Larry's working on some art room hall passes. But now, here's Comio's dump truck. And so, all I need to do is wait for this one to end. And then we'll clear off the plate and get that started. And then I will try to deliver these during homeroom. Okay? So, make sure you leave some information for me so I know who your homeroom teacher is so I can find you quicker. And then also make sure that you're not making any really weird, elaborate stuff. Because if you get too big, we're going to have to start charging you money. Okay? So, good luck. Have fun with it. Explore what you can do. If you wanted to make your own design, you can go click on Design. Click Online. And you can do Tinkercad. You can open it in your browser and explore this. Have some fun with it. But anyways, we're going to stop there. Good luck. Have fun.